Okay, let's check out the pool house, guys. We got a bunch going on out here too. So we're actually trenching from the electrical panel over there, 200 feet, to upgrade the electrical service out here in the pool house. We're actually making this what's called an ADU, which is an additional dwelling unit. It gets a separate address. When she sells the house, she can list it as additional 625-foot permitted living space. We're gonna do a beautiful kitchen on this wall. This is gonna be a sleeping area over there. We've taken this fireplace out. We're gonna do a fireplace on the back wall now. One of the things the county did want us to do was give a hinged door out here for fire access. So this window is going away. We're putting an entry door over here. It's just gonna be top notch when we're done. Also, one of the things they also had us do is the vapor barrier on this concrete. So it's a 30 mil thickness water sealant vapor barrier we put on this concrete. So that's gonna be going Monday. This will all be red on Monday. And then we can put our flooring down over that. So just a super exciting project. Main house, pool house, new electrical coming this way. We're sorting out the septic and sewer system right now. So there's just a bunch to do here and we're so excited. Thank you much.